So what is belly dance? It is a performance art referred to as an Arabic dance. It is associated with Arabic music and Egyptian or Oriental style dancing. It has many names depending on the country of origin and style. In French, it's referred to as danse du ventre. Arabic, raqs sharki or raqs baladi. English is belly dance. It also has two facets, social and performance. The Middle Eastern origin was from a social dance performed by women for women. It was a celebratory dance, often used at gatherings for events such as engagements and birth. It was actually forbidden for an unrelated male to see them dance. It is still illegal in some countries to dance in public or show an exposed torso. Belly dance was not made to seduce men.